Good afternoon, Oniel Dunkley, skipper of the Marverley Hughenden Football Club.
All right, Oniel, big matchup. Is this your first semi-finals?
Nope.
You've been here, you've done that already. I just spoke to the coach, the president regarding to that. He said that you guys took the title last year, and you guys are looking to retain that title. You don't plan to give it up.
True.
As the most experienced team in the competition, and also the title holder, what importance does that play with the mental factor going to the game like this?
It's a semi-final, so we have to mentally prepare. We have a lot of young guys on the team and a lot of experience, so we're kind of mixing it, see if we can keep riding. It's been a rough season, but we're still taking our time, and we are in the semi-final as the champion, so we are still here.
Mixing it, I know a lot of persons that say, well, because people and diverse towards either most experienced team or young team. You guys are a mixture of experienced title winners and also young talented players. How important now in modern football to keep that mixture, a blend of young and experienced players together?
Well, it's important, because we have a lot of young guys coming up through the team and we are playing major league. So it's a kind of level that is higher than schoolboys, so they are young. So we have to use them, mix them, try to have a cohesiveness in that and all of those stuff. So we are mentally ready to go and battle, see if we can retain our title. That's the best thing, and see how far it takes us.
As a senior man in your team, captain of the team, as well. A lot, as I said, youngsters in the squad. How do you help them to further their careers and also keep focus on in the game?
Well, I'm a lot of influence in the team, Now for the young guys, more look up to me as an elder statesman in the club, and they see what I do. They see what I do for the club, what I do for the community, and I'm telling you the truth. They're okay. They're really learning. I'm Marverley going forward, and trust me, it's working for the team and the club and the community.
All right, big up, skipper, and congratulations on reaching the semi-finals. Hope to see what you guys do from there, and bless up here.
Thank you.